Here's how to fully set up your Hubris Console for your organization. Step 1. Choosing your subscription plan. To access the different subscription plans in the Hubris Console, click the Plans tab. In here, you can choose which plan you wish to be on. To upgrade your subscription plan, click the Upgrade button of your chosen plan. You will then need to enter your card payment details. In the Plans page, you can also view your current usage of Hubris by scrolling down the page and reviewing the information shown. You can see how many users you have, how many times Hubris has been used, and your billing period. Step 2. Field Mapping. The Mapping page is where you select which fields in Hubspot you want Hubris to populate. By checking tick boxes, you can decide which fields are active and whether they should overwrite existing Hubspot data or not. To create custom fields in Hubris, you must first make them in Hubspot to acquire the property's internal name. Then you can create the custom field in Hubris and enter in the details requested. Activate the LinkedIn URL field to allow you to see which contacts in Hubspot have been synced with their LinkedIn profile. Doing this allows you to view and create reports in Hubspot to identify which contacts have not been linked. Higher-tiered subscriptions have access to more fields to use. Step 3. Display properties. To add new fields to be viewed in Hubris, they first need to exist in Hubspot, and then you can enter in the details in the respective display properties. By default, all field mappings are set to be active for both contacts and companies. But you can choose which properties you would like to see and the order that they should be displayed in. Step 4. Adding users. To add a user, click on the Add User button and fill in the user's email address that they use to log in to Hubspot. They need to be the same, or else Hubris won't recognize the user. Then, choose which permission you'd like the user to have. Read means that they can only read the information Hubris provides in LinkedIn. Write means that they can also input the data into Hubspot. Now choose whether you want the user to take ownership of contacts at all times, on creation only, or not at all. If you are on the Team or Enterprise subscription, you can choose whether or not you want your users to be allowed to sync their social messages to Hubspot. Once you're done, click Save to add the user. Details and permissions for users can be altered at any time after their creation. All users except the admin can be deleted. To delete a user, click the Delete icon and click Yes. Continue on to the next video to see how to install Hubris. If you have any questions, email developer@hubris.it.